Well, hello. Welcome to this goofy little art video. I am totally a novice. They agree. And we're going to try to do some watercolors today. When I say we, I mean me. But hey, if you're very much a novice as I am, then this is the channel for you, because I am no way a professional in art. I just started getting into it, but I do like to have fun and doodle. So without me just yakking my butt off, let's get to it. And I can't tell you exactly what paper I got. I mean, you know, it's some sort of watercolor paper, all right? Same thing with the brushes, just bought them at the store. I don't know what size they are or whatever. And I got my watercolor palette. I'll just show you real quick before I drip it everywhere. Here you go. Very much a beginner set. And that's what we're working with. And if you're hearing things in the background, I got my windows open. I do live in Cambodia. Things get a little crazy and noisy, okay? It's fun. Yeah, I'm an expat who lives in Cambodia, just so you know. All right, I saw this thing somebody did on Instagram, and I want to see if I can duplicate it with the flowers. So we're gonna check it out and see what happens here. All right, let me think here. So I have my thing of water. And I got my music in the background. All right, all I remember is they got their thing like super wet, right? And they just went and made big like petals. And that's what I'm gonna do. I know you can't see it now because it's wet. But then they took, okay, I wanna do yellow. They took yellow and made like little like dots in the middle. Oh, you know what? I think I did this backwards. Oh well, we're gonna try this anyway. I did it backwards, but let's do it this way. You're supposed to pull it out to make the leaves. Yeah, I totally messed this up, but oh well. Like I said, you can't even see it. That's terrible. All right, let's try this. Watercolor just has a mind of its own. Like, this is so beginner stuff. Okay, let's try this again. I think what I'm supposed to do, I'm gonna try a different color. Different color. We're gonna go with pink. And we're just gonna do the pink dots. Like, I'm just dabbing pink on this page. I hope you can see it, I don't know. But I'm dabbing pink. Ah! And I'm grabbing some more water, and I'm just gonna pull from the center. Oh my God, this looks not the way it came out. How come they, see I'm saying, the professionals, they make it look so freaking easy, and then when you try to do it, nothing's happening. I'm like, okay, hold on, we got some color going on. That's a good sign. We have some color, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just gonna roll with it. And that's what happens when you buy cheap brushes. The hairs get loose on the paper. Can you even see what's happening here? It just like looks like blobs of pink and yellow. All right. Now let's do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm putting the pink in there and trying to get rid of this hair thing going on. Oh my God. And I got excess water. I'm just gonna play with it, see what it does. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to get some purple in here into the pink. Let's see if we can pull. I don't know. Let me just see if I can pull this out. I think I need more purple. I'm actually just going to leave it like that and just see what it does. And then we'll do the pink again in the middle and just let it do whatever it's going to do. Whoa. Try to wipe off the the excess. Okay, so that's happening. All right, let's just make an all purple kind of thing. Let's go with the purple. I'm gonna try to make a purple flower like down here. And I'm just gonna pull and get some water and just pull. Oh wait, that actually might have worked. Okay. That actually looks sort of cool. Look at that. That looks sort of cool. We'll let that dry. Okay, now I'm gonna go for the leaves. Oh, wait a minute, you know what I wanna do? Let me see if I can put some yellow dabs in the middle of this one. Oh my gosh, well, they didn't exactly come out as dabs. I'm just gonna push it all in the middle. See if I can get it to like do something like that. Like I said, I ain't a professional. This is what I call couch therapy, okay? Okay, it's a little bit interesting. A little bit interesting. All right, all is not lost. Let's add our leaves, and then I'm gonna get into some like outlining stuff to see if we can make this look better. I'm gonna go with the light green first. Oh, wait, I got the wrong brush. I got the wrong brush, bro. I think you're supposed to use a more pointy brush, so we're gonna go with that. To make like the leaf curl kind of thing. You know, if you don't know what I'm talking about because you're new like me, well, maybe we can figure it out together. Here we go. So I think you're supposed to go like out and then like do something like that and make it look like a leaf. See what I'm talking about? And then like, I know I'm not doing this right, but we're gonna try to make this look like a leaf. Okay. And I'm gonna bring this out. Oh yeah, I think that's how you do it, like that. Let's do one coming out of here. I mean, it could be worse, right? I'll put one down there. That's interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna do, it's a little interesting. Let's do dark green. Add a little like depth into this. Give it a little different kind of color. Although it's making it look, I don't know. Maybe the wrong move, but we're going for it. as my neighbor pounds away. He works on motor scooters across the street. This guy is like, he works all day and night until they go to bed. Like, I'm so used to hearing it. It doesn't even faze me at this point. Listening to him pound away. Maybe that sounds a little weird, but yeah. Okay, so we have leaves. If you want to call them that. All right. Now, I'm trying to bring them in a little bit. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just sort of winging this right now, guys. Trying to make a bouquet of flowers is what this is going to end up being, hopefully. Like I said, if you're working on this as much as I am, like you're new, I look at it this way. There's no wrong way to do art. And everybody has to start from somewhere. I mean, even Picasso didn't know probably what the freak he was doing. So we're gonna go with that. Okay, here's where we are so far. Doesn't look like much, right? But it's drying. Okay, now, what I wanna do, I have these colors. It's by Montmartre. They're crayons. They're called twistable colors. I freaking love these things. And not only are they a crayon, they're like a soft, really nice crayon. See, I got a nice set. They're really good for like coloring in, outlining, and also they're water soluble, which means you can put them on the paper, add water like I did with the watercolors, and they'll turn into different watercolors, which is super cool. So anyway, let's see if we can outline. I'm gonna go with let's go with a dark yellow. I don't even know where to, like I said, we're working from the couch and I have a table next to me, and that's why this channel is called No Studio Art. There's a reason why there's no studio. Because we're on the couch. Okay, here we go. Remember this like half-ass flower we did? Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna like get creative and add color. So there's my flower, all right? Doesn't look like much now, but just hang on there. Okay, so this one was pink, right? So we're gonna go with this pink. I have a pink. And I'm just gonna like do some kind of funky outlines. Nothing super crazy, right? And then this last one is supposed to be a purple. Let's go with a darker, I got a dark purple. Let's try a dark purple outline. This crazy stuff going on. Now, okay, so what I'm gonna do is add some more purple dots in here. And I think what I had, I think I had this pink in here. I'm gonna add more pink in the centers and pink in this. Now, before I show you adding water to this, now I'm gonna add the greens. So I'm gonna go with the green outline, my dark green outline for the leaves. Sometimes you just gotta like pretend you're a kid and just like, who gives a crap, right? Right? And we're just gonna add like the veins in here. Like I'm a kid again, okay? Now, watch this. I'm taking the good old brush with the water. Watch this. Like magic. Watch this stuff. Do you see what I'm talking about? Whoa, right? The colors are starting to come out a little bit more. A little bit of a pop going on. I do think I was Picasso up in this bee. JK. Okay, so there's that. Now, oh, I forgot this one little guy. Sorry, little dude. This little dude. Okay, now we're gonna do the flowers. Let's see what happens now when we go over this with water. Whoa, it's bringing out the colors a little bit better. It's looking a little cray-cray, but hang in there with me, guys. All right, I'm gonna pull the purple. Pouring purple in. I did pull the colors in. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Let's see if we can get the pink in here. I'm just going to use the flat end of this. All right. Something's going on. Something's afoot. Okay. Now, let's... I'm not sure really what to do at this point with this. I'm thinking might want to take this to a different extreme. Hold on.